Going on, everyone? It's Josh from TradingPriceHacks.com, and today I'm bringing you another currency spotlight for October 15th, 2013. Now, in today's currency spotlight, we're going to be looking at a couple of currency pairs actually. But first, I want to look at the week ahead again and just show you guys what we'll be looking at. As I posted in the week ahead for this week, I said to look at the Canadian dollar yen 4-hour chart and look for prices nearing resistance zone right here. Now, if we go to the chart and look at this now, we can see that prices did come up and touch the resistance zone, hit it, and then we actually had a nice, this might be a nice bullish engulfing bar for this bar, but let's see if it engulfs these next two bars. Let's see, the high 95.32, high is 95.22. So yeah, actually this only engulfs the previous bar, but nonetheless still a bearish engulfing bar right here, rejecting this resistance zone, and prices have dropped since. So I would actually have taken this trade if it wasn't for that my power was actually out all of last night, so I did not have any internet connection or any way to access the internet last night and this morning. So I actually missed this trade setup, and it was actually a very good trade setup with this bullish engulfing bar right on the strong resistance zone, and I would have taken this trade if it wasn't for my internet connection being down. So as you can see, prices stopped at this resistance zone and respected just like we were predicting, and now prices have dropped down. So overall, this is a good trade setup that I was predicting from last week, and something that I gave you guys to look for in this week, and it actually did come out like we expected. Now let's take a look at another chart I was looking at, which is the US dollar Canadian dollar 4-hour chart, which I talked about in the week ahead. And what we were looking for on this one was that for prices to come down and touch this support zone right here, and for prices to bounce back up. Now if we go to the actual chart of what happened, we can see that prices did drop back down here and touch this, and then we had a nice bullish 2-bar reversal right here that formed perfectly right on this support zone. Now again, I would have taken this trade also if it wasn't for, actually for two reasons. For one, me not having any power or internet connection last night, and for the fact that it has a US dollar Canadian dollar, has a US dollar in it, which I'm already in a trade with the US dollar. So I would have not taken this, but I still would have posted for you guys. But no matter what, this is still a good trade setup, and we can learn from it. Nice 2-bar reversal, and as you can see, prices shot up after the 2-bar reversal of this support zone right here. Looks like it might be retracing a little bit, but we can still assume to come up, down, and then keep going up, because as you can tell, the market is in the current uptrend. So this is a very good trade setup right here, and it's a bummer that I missed out on it, and I wasn't able to post it for you guys. Now the last thing we're going to look at is the actual, just something for you guys to look for in upcoming weeks, and just give you guys something new to look at. So what we're looking at today is this 2-bar reversal right here that's recently formed on the British pound Swiss franc 4-hour chart. Now this looks like a tradable 2-bar reversal, but now if we look into it, we'll find out that it's actually not. As you can see, there's no real support zone or resistance in here for us to place it. Hold on really quick. Let me change this. As you can see, there's no real support resistance zone in here, so it's basically a 2-bar reversal in the middle of nowhere. But if we look, we can see that there is a nice support resistance zone right here, where it's respected here, 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 and here also, and also multiple times throughout here. So as you can see, this is a very strong support and resistance zone right here, and it's also right underneath where we would look for this trade to go if we were to take this trade. So it's not worth taking this trade when trading right into a strong support zone that's right below it. Also, there's a strong support zone right below it. Also, there is, if we take a look, there is extreme amount of traffic right here. All these bars right here, this is a ranging market, and I'd advise not trading into this right here. This is something that we want to stay away from. It's hard to predict where the market's going to go when you're trading into all this market chaos right here. So that's all I have for today's currency spotlight. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys are looking at for this upcoming week, what trades you guys are in, what you guys are looking at. Until tomorrow's currency spotlight, safe trading.